The 2025 Jawa 250 marks the return of a legend in a modern avatar, blending retro charm with updated technology to appeal to both nostalgic riders and new age enthusiasts. With its classic lines, teardrop fuel tank, and chrome touches, it stays true to its roots while subtly incorporating contemporary design elements. Powering the Jawa 250 is a refined 249cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that delivers a smooth and responsive ride. Tuned for strong mid-range performance, it's ideal for both city commutes and relaxed weekend rides. The engine pairs with a slick 6-speed gearbox that makes gear transitions feel effortless, especially when cruising at higher speeds. What really stands out is how the bike sounds. Jawa has paid special attention to the exhaust note, crafting a deep, throaty tone that echoes the brand's legacy. The moment you fire it up, you're greeted with a sound that's unmistakably Jawa, nostalgic, yet fresh. In terms of ride quality, the new Jawa 250 features a double cradle chassis with telescopic front forks and dual shock absorbers at the rear, offering a balanced and comfortable ride. The suspension setup handles rough patches with ease, while the low seat height makes it accessible for a wide range of riders. Braking is handled by a front disc and rear drum or disc option, depending on the variant, supported by single-channel ABS for added safety. Jawa has also embraced technology in subtle but effective ways. The instrument cluster combines analog and digital elements, delivering all necessary information without taking away from the bike's retro aesthetic. LED lighting, improved fuel injection, and better refinement across the board make this a practical, reliable daily machine. For riders who want to own a piece of history without sacrificing modern reliability, the 2025 Jawa 250 offers a compelling package. It's more than just a motorcycle, it's an emotion on two wheels. Whether you're a die-hard Jawa fan or someone looking for a stylish and capable quarter-liter machine, this one's definitely worth a test ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe.